Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your own OpenAI API key step by step. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your browser and go to platform.openai.com. Then if you already have a ChatGPT account, you can just click login in the top right corner. If you don't, you can also sign up and create an OpenAI account. You can use this account for both ChatGPT and the API. But once you're logged in, you will look at the top menu and click API keys right over here. So click API key. Then from here, you'll already see the option to create new secret key. But before you can create one, normally OpenAI will ask you to verify your identity with your phone number. So just simply start verification by entering your phone number and confirm the code they sent you. But after the verification, you can simply click create new secret key. And then from here, you can name it whatever you like. For example, test. After that, create your key by simply choosing create secret key. An important thing to remember, you want to copy this key immediately and store it somewhere safe. Because once you click done, right over here, you will not be able to see it again. So again, make sure you copy this one and store it somewhere safe. All right. So you can delete and recreate keys later, but you can't recover this one. The one right over here, the one that we just created. Now, one last step, you need credits to actually use the API. So to do this, you want to click this one. At the bottom, you can see here, go to billing. So let's choose this to add credit balance. Add some funds so your balance is above zero. Otherwise, your API calls won't simply work. That's it. You now have your own OpenAI API key ready to use. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.